It's a well-known fact that each and every product we use has its own unique life cycle. In this case, a product's life cycle is defined as a sequence of events beginning with its creation and ending with its final disposal. Product life cycles generate varying degrees of impact on our environment, our lifestyle, and even our personal health. It's surprising how much of an impact even seemingly small decisions about the products we use can make. Take, for example, the life cycle of rental shop towels compared to the life cycle of Kimberly WYPALL disposable wipers. First, we'll explore the life cycle of rental shop towels. Let's start at the textile manufacturing facility, which is typically based overseas. New towels are shipped all the way over to the U.S. and eventually arrive at a commercial laundry facility, consuming various types of fossil fuels along the way. From here, the towels are distributed to their first industrial customer. Keep in mind that these towels typically start out white and are often rented at a premium. Circulation of the white towels continues through the laundry process until they begin to look used in stains or other wear. At this point, the towels may be dyed red, and after another 5 to 11 uses, these same towels might then be dyed blue. Okay, let's keep moving. After each round of use, the launderer picks up the dirty towels from the industrial customer and returns them via truck to the laundry facility for cleaning, which consumes additional fossil fuels. These returned towels frequently contain hazardous industrial solvents and chemicals, or even heavy metals from the processes in which they were used. These contaminants can even build up in the recycled water within the launderer's process and ultimately be redeposited onto clean towels. After the towels are laundered and possibly cross-contaminated, they are sent out again, typically to a different industrial customer. That's right. Each time a towel is used, it can be sent to and returned from any customer carrying its contaminants with it. Each trip consumes fossil fuels on its way back and forth to the customer. Back at the laundry, the waste from the laundering process can end up in several places. For one, volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, evaporate into the air, affecting the environment and subjecting laundry workers to the dangerous vapors. In fact, a California launderer was recently fined almost $500,000 for failure to meet air emission standards while processing rags that contain solvents like benzene, chloroform, and trichloroethylene. Another concern is that the water consumed in the washing cycle is released or washed out, possibly containing residual solvents and chemicals left behind by the laundered towels. The effluent water is then processed by the local publicly owned treatment works. Then there's the matter of sludge generated from the oil, grease, grime, and chemical residues deposited from the dirty towels and collected within the laundry process. This sludge is usually taken and deposited into a landfill. And that's not all. While a laundered towel can be used many times, it will eventually become too dirty and ratty for more use. In turn, it will ultimately join the sludge at the landfill. We can clearly see the impact that the life cycle of rental shop towels has on our health and environment. So how does the WYPALL wiper life cycle differ from that of the rental shop towel? First of all, these products are delivered to a distributor, who in turn takes them directly to the customer for use. After the wipers have been used, they are handled in one of two ways. Wipers that have not been exposed to hazardous materials can be taken directly to a landfill. Wipers containing hazardous materials like solvents can be picked up by a licensed hazardous waste hauler who can transport the disposed wipers safely. This protects the environment and helps the user manage their responsibility for waste disposal according to the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act. As you can see, WYPALL wipers are a safe and clean alternative to rental shop towels. So, choose WYPALL wipers to create a healthier workplace and a cleaner, more sustainable future.